How to show real-time network speed in Samsung device. To show the real-time speed in Samsung, you first need to access your settings. And once you just head over to your settings menu, you're gonna have to find your notification settings. So go ahead and turn on that option where you see notification. Then from here, what you're gonna have to do next is head over to the advanced system settings or the advanced notification settings. Just tap on it. And once you get to the advanced notification settings, you have two options. You can show your battery percentage and then show the network speed in real time. You just need to make sure that you turn on the option where it says show network speed in real time. And once that is done, you'll be able to see the real time network speed up top on your Samsung device. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.